And you know I can't end it without saying it. You've got this. You've got it. You can do it. Like, just go out there. It cannot be any worse than what they're getting in the public school system right now. And I hate to say that because there are some fantastic teachers and administrators. And then there are some really not good ones that need to retire or go find other jobs or whatever. But honestly, it's heartbreaking because the good ones are stuck in a system, in a systematic process that they don't have any control over. And it's not fair to them and it's not fair to your kids. So you can't change that. I can't change that. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. That is why I'm putting so much effort in and trying to do everything I can to motivate you and encourage you and support you so that you have what it takes to break free from that traditional mindset and traditional thinking and provide something that is going to empower and lift, motivate, inspire, and just change your kids' lives so that they can thrive and become everything that they are meant to be. I believe you can do this. It's time to do it. Join me in the Facebook group if you haven't. Go check out the Mend Your Mindset courses if you're looking for something for you or your family. And I will be there to help support you and encourage you every step of the way. www.freedomeducationmovement.com is where most of my stuff is, or in the Facebook group. And then from there you can link to the teachable courses or whatever else that I have going on. Thank you so much for going through the workshop. I hope this helped. Please leave feedback in the group. Please share this if you know people that need this. Share it in the homeschool groups because I really want to be able to help as many families as possible become everything that they need to be. And I believe this is the way. All right. I'll see you guys in the groups.